What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I want to teach you the Dragonfly variation. The Dragonfly is a variation. It can be added on to any swing skill because a Dragonfly is a sidekick executed from the swing leg after takeoff. So if you swing up, do a massive sidekick, that's a Dragonfly, and then you can add that on to other swing skills. Some examples being Dragonfly Moon Kick, Dragonfly Cork Round, and Dragonfly Cork Hyper Hook. Those are some of my favorites. First, I want to walk you guys through the technique for the variation. All swings start in the same position, from that eagle position, with your chest up, your arms back, and your right leg back, ready to swing. Next, your goal is to move into your set position, so swing everything down and then up in front of you. So your arms should be in front of you, as with your right leg. Don't bend your leg at all, don't chamber it yet. You want that full swing before you leave the ground, so that way you don't lose any power. The second you leave the ground, chamber in your right leg, bring your arms in, and then wait until you hit the peak of your jump. Then you're going to execute that side kick. Explode out your right leg, but just as important, explode out your arms to stall your twist and your flip in any rotation. If you stall out your body, that side kick can be seen a lot easier, so just open up a little bit. After you perform the side kick, just resume like normal. So if you were doing a Dragonfly gainer, after you do that Dragonfly, you're just gonna finish it off just like a gainer. You set like a gainer, then you just do the variation and then resume that gainer. All a variation is something added on to a trick. That's why you can see people doing Dragonfly Cork Round, because it's a combination of that Dragonfly variation with the round kick variation. The Dragonfly is an awesome variation that you can add on to whatever swing skill you want, but at its core, it is a side kick. So if you want a really good Dragonfly Cork Round, or if you want really good Dragonflies, you need a solid side kick. So practice your side kick a ton. It's something you can do at home. If you find something to support yourself and just try and hold your leg up for as long as possible, it's a great way to build that muscle. If you do side kicks, your Dragonflies will be so much better. Last tip I have for you guys on Dragonflies is don't rush the kick. Make sure you swing up with a straight leg, and then once you leave the ground, chamber and extend for the kick. If you chamber that leg up on the swing, you're going to be losing a lot of your power, and that will not help at all. So make sure you swing straight, leave the ground, chamber, and then shoot out the side kick. And then finish with whatever variation you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for the Dragonfly variation. It is one of my absolute favorites, if you can't tell. So you guys learning it means a lot to me, and a lot of you guys are ready for it. I see clips of you guys sending me, of you guys doing corks, gainers, a lot of really high level stuff just from watching the tutorials, and that means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching and for training hard. And thank you, as always, to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. It means the world to me that you guys are willing to donate your money towards teaching tricking and teaching trickers all across the world. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you want to learn anything about kind of what I'm doing, go to howtomastertricking.com. Have a lovely day and keep training hard.